scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 48. We are going through the Sooktha22 of Mandal 1. We have already covered Mantra 1 to 15. Today we are going through the Mantras 16 to 21. In this, the Devada is Vishnu. Vishnu is the controlling force which coordinates all the activities in this universe from the start itself, that is creation of universe from Brahman itself. He is the coordinator of all these activities. Actually Indra is there and all the activities are divided into three: creation, maintenance and destruction. That maintenance, to maintain this universe, that force is known as Vishnu. So let us go through the mantra and see the important activities of actions of this god Vishnu. Let us go through this 16th mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandal-1 Sooktha22.16. Ado deva avandunyo yado vishnurvichakrame prithvyas sapta thamabhihi.
It says Vishnu put his foot on earth, which is a part of 7 worlds. There are 7 worlds. We have already seen the structure of the universe. Universe consists of 7 worlds, and each world is divided into 7. That means this structure of the universe consists of 49 maruts, and in one of these maruts there is this earth. So there is a number of earths in all these 7 worlds. So Vishnu put the foot on all earths or all planets which are moving around the something, say sun. Here our earth is moving around the sun. All the planets are moving around the sun. And he put the foot there. Then what will happen? That is explained in the 18th mantra, 17th mantra. So let us go through it.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 22.17. Idam vishnurvichakrame trayatha nidade padam samukhla masya pamsure.
It says Vishnu put his 3 foot to measure all these 3 universes. There are 3 universes or 3 worlds. Actually 7 worlds are there, and in the initial stage it is divided into 3, where above earth, that is Swarga; below earth, that is hell; earth, above earth, below earth. That is 3 worlds in one type of classification. If we go deep into it, each of these 3 are divided into 14 worlds. 7 in the upward and 7 in the downwards. Likewise. Then that 7 is divided into 49 and so on so forth. So in all these cases, he put his foot. What is the shape of the foot? It is like this. an elliptical orbit. Elliptical orbit means there are two circles joined together. Then it forms an ellipse, and in between there is a space. So elliptical orbit means there are two circles, and in between there is a joining. Then it will become elliptical. This is a math subject. Our foot also is likewise. Here there is one portion, foot. It is in this way. Here there is one portion, here there is one portion. In between there is a third portion. That means by putting his foot on earth or all planets, these worlds are divided into three. How this is moving, planets will then revolve in an elliptical orbit. Actually, it was revolving in a circular orbit. This earth was revolving around the sun in a circular orbit. If it is in circular orbit, the distance between the sun and the earth is always the same. So there is no difference. The climate on earth will be almost the same throughout the time. There is no seasons, because the distance between sun and this planet is the same. So if anything born on earth, all the things will be alike. Why there is difference? Because it is moving in an elliptical orbit. How it is formed? He pressed that circle, this circle into an elliptical one in the shape of a foot. That is why there are three positions in an elliptical orbit. One, this at one time the sun may be very near to the earth. At another time it may be far away from the earth, and the earth may be far away from the sun, and in between there is a middle position. So there are three types of worlds. That is, in our life there are rise, fall, and in between. There are three types. In astrology, there are Ucha position, highest position, Nicha position, lowest position, or friendly position. Based on this, climates, seasons are formed, due to which different types of creatures, different varieties of things are formed on the universe due to this action of this Vishnu. Actually, Vishnu is not a person. It is explained likewise. We want to know what is the shape of the ellipse, that is like the foot of a person. So that Vishnu is presented in the story as a person. So he put his foot on earth. On earth means to reshape the circular motion of his orbit to elliptical orbit. That is why all the creations are formed on earth. Now let us go through the 18th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-18 ത്രീണി പദാ വിചക്രമേ വിഷ്ണുർഗോപ അദാഭ്യഃ തതോ ധർമാണി ധാരയന്.
It also says he using his power and with his foot he measured the three worlds in 3 foot. That means everything in this universe is divided into three worlds. The earth, above earth is the heaven, below is hell. Likewise, Ucha position, Nicha position, medium position. In our life also, there are high, low, and middle. There is Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. Likewise, everything is divided into three: good period, bad period, or in between, normal life. Good, bad, normal, average. Likewise, everything is, all the things in this universe is divided into three by measuring this universe with these three foods. By putting his foot on this is possible due to the movement of the planet around the sun in an elliptical orbit and all the planets in this universe. There are a number of Earths in 7 worlds. In everywhere, these planets are moving in a circle, elliptical orbit. So it is either approaching the sun or moving away from it. Based on this, climate changes are taking place and so on, due to which rain is falling. At some time the temperature is very high, and based on this we are cultivating plant and everything like that. Now let us go to the 19th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-19. വിഷ്ണു കർമാണി പശ്യത തതോ വൃതാനി പസ്പശേ ഇന്ദ്രസ്യ യുജ്യസഹാകാം.
It says this Vishnu is the friend of Indra. Indra is taking part in all the coordinating all the activities. For this, he is depending on certain laws, and these laws are created by this Vishnu. What all things that is taking place in any reaction, that is based on certain reaction, chemical reaction or scientific principle, all these laws are created by Vishnu. Astrologers are predicting everything based on astrological planetary position. This is doing based on 3 types of positions: Uchchabal, Neechabal, and Medium Bal. All planets are either in Ucha position or a medium position or a Neecha position, weak position, or it may be in its own position. Likewise, this is all the likewise based on this we are making prediction. So all the laws in this universe are based on these principles which are created by Vishnu, that is influenced by the movement of the planets and the movement of the electrons in the atom. The electron also is revolving around the sun, around the nucleus in an elliptical orbit, due to which there is different types of quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, subsidiary quantum number, or like that, spin quantum number. Everything is depend on the shape of the orbit, that is due to the formation of this elliptical orbit, due to which different size of combinations are formed, and due to which we are getting different types of infinite number, different types of substances, and we are using such substances for several purposes. So every laws are based on this principle, and this is created by, these laws are created by this Vishnu. So based on these laws, Indra is coordinating the activities. So Indra is a friend of Vishnu. Now let us go to the 20th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-20. തത് വിഷ്ണു പരമം പദം സദാ പശ്യന്തി സൂരയഃ ദിദീവ ചക്ഷുരാതതം.
Based on this, we are looking, all people are looking above to see the foot of the Vishnu. There is no meaning in looking in the sky to see the foot of the Vishnu. It is not there. What they are saying is, due to its influence, this circular motion is converted into elliptical orbit. So he is saying the learned people will look at inside to see the Vishnu. Actually Vishnu is the inside us. This is responsible for our birds itself, and from inside it is controlling our activities. And such a force is responsible for changing the circular motion into elliptical motion. There is no foot or anything like that. So, ordinary people will look in the sky to see the foot of the Vishnu. We are thinking Vishnu is there, and he is putting the foot on the earth. It is not there. Actually, learned people will look inside it and see that force. Now, let us go through the 21st mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-21. തത് വിപ്രാസോ വിപന്യവോ ജാഗൃവാംസ സമിന്ധതേ വിഷ്ണോർ യത് പരമം പദം.
It says the learned people or rishis like people came to understand this power of this Vishnu, this force. There is such a force acting in this universe which controls all the activities in this universe. All the laws are formed from their actions. So that is responsible for the creation of all the different types of things in this universe. And the learned people will try to understand that power of that Vishnu. Such a force is there, and we should pray that Vishnu. Vishnu is responsible for the creation of all the things in this universe, which is possible due to the action of Vishnu to change the orbit, circular orbit of planet to elliptical orbit.